Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Nissan Pathfinder. Before we start, safety is paramount. Always begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical shocks. You'll need a good set of tools, including a ratchet, several sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. Also, make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin, ensuring a safe working environment for this important repair. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. First, you'll need to remove the passenger side wheel and the inner fender liner to gain clear access. Next, use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the pulleys. After that, disconnect the main power cable and the smaller electrical connector from the alternator. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place, allowing you to remove the old unit. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully place the new alternator into its mounting bracket, ensuring it aligns properly. Then, install the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, hand tightening them initially. Reconnect the main power cable and the electrical connector, making sure they are secure. Finally, route the serpentine belt correctly around all the engine pulleys, following the diagram for your specific vehicle to ensure proper alignment and function. For our final steps, use your serpentine belt tool to properly retension the drive belt, ensuring it's snug but not overly tight. Reinstall the inner fender liner and the passenger side wheel, tightening the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 83 foot-pounds. Reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Then, start the engine and check your dashboard for any warning lights, confirming the new alternator is charging the battery and powering your vehicle's electrical system correctly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.